Hey y'all, it's M4 Hobby coming to y'all with another YouTube video today. And today we're going to do a cold start on the M4 Hobby stock. So, she ain't been started in a while. Just got done charging the battery. Good enough. Go ahead and battery in here, fuel cell weights. Your typical dirt car setup. Just checked all the fluid levels and everything, so we should be good to go. She got water in it. It does. However, have a bad exhaust leak because of a broken header bolt. So, if you hear anything, a ticking noise, it's coming from that. Still haven't gotten around to fixing it. Let's see here. Oh, hold on. Steering wheel on. I'm going to go ahead and turn it around when she warms up. So, power. Let's see here. Pumpage. Crank. You can hear it leaking. Right back in there. Hold on. Yep. Yeah, she is a small block Chevy. Only a little bit hopped up. Got a header, some straight pipes, got a cam, bored out, all with a little Holly 500 2-barrel sitting on top of it. See where we're at for temperature. She ain't even moved. Let me set y'all down so you can hear it. Oh yeah, boys. This car hauls ass. Got a 4.9-inch. Everything's been converted to a Ford lug pattern, so we use 5-on-5 wheels. Let's go ahead and turn it around. Got an automatic. steering fluid. That ain't good. Hold on. Let me set y'all somewhere where you can see. Ah, hell, the camera don't want to stay. Let me see here. Something. Oh yeah. Exhaust is dragging. Oh well. Well, there you guys go. A little cold start of the M4.